In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Evernote. If you've never used Evernote before, think of it as a digital notebook where you can store ideas, to-do lists, web pages, and documents, and keep everything organized in one place. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on one simple goal, getting you logged in and ready to use your account for the very first time. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. In the address bar at the top, go to your favorite search engine and type Evernote login. Press enter and you should see the official Evernote site appear near the top of the search results. Take a moment to make sure you're clicking on the legitimate Evernote website, not an ad or a third-party site. The official result will clearly show Evernote's name and branding. Once you're on the Evernote page, look for the option that says Sign In. This is usually found near the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Sign In and you'll be taken to the login page. On the login page, you'll see a button or link that says Login. Go ahead and click that. At this stage, you'll typically be offered a few choices, such as logging in with your email and password, or using a connected account like Google or Apple. Choose the method that makes the most sense for you. If you already have an Evernote account, enter your existing details carefully. If you're new to Evernote, look for a sign-up option on the same screen, so you can create an account first, and then return to log in. From this point on, simply follow the on-screen prompts. These might include entering your email address, choosing a secure password, or confirming your identity through a code sent to your email or mobile device. Take your time and double check each field as you go, especially your email, since that's how you'll recover your account if you ever forget your password. Once you've completed the steps and submitted your information, Evernote will finish the sign-in process and open your workspace. You're now inside your Evernote account and ready to start creating notes, organizing notebooks, and exploring features. That's all you need to get started with Evernote. Search for the login page, click Sign In, choose Login, and carefully